Hello, welcome. My name's Dionne Swift, and in this part of the Structural Stitches series, I'd like to continue talking about working on the bias and look at faux chenille. And I'm going to sew straight along through all those layers on that bias line. Now you might want to go back and forth a few times just to secure the end in. And I'm going to cut out this whole section. I didn't have a plan for this. I'm going with it, taking that bit away completely. Here I've spiraled in with my rows, keeping them as much on the bias as I possibly can. And this one, I have worked on top of a heavy wool,